Hello everyone, welcome to Capsule Pharma News 10. Capsule is a YouTube channel for pharma students for GPAT preparation and pharma news. Please subscribe for daily updates and share this information with 3 of your pharma friends and ask them to share each of them to 3 other persons because information is vital, pass it on. This news is very useful during this quarantine time. Coming to the first news, an essay contest 2020 organized by Alumni Association of Chalapati Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences in association with IPA LAM branch. The theme is Pharmacist Experiences and Utilization of Lockdown Period for Future Endeavors. This is a very good theme, and the eligibility is all pharma students, that is D Pharm, B Pharm, M Pharm and Pharm D. An interested one can send a soft copy, that is PDF format. The details are given in this brochure, that is manuscript, maximum 2 pages with Times New Roman, 12 font and 1.5 margins, not more than 20% of plagiarism will be considered. The rewards are: first prize will be rewarded 2000 and second prize is 1000, third, fourth, fifth is 500, and you can email your manuscript to the given mail ID here. The date of submission is 18th to 25th June. For further details, you can contact the numbers given in the brochure. This is free contest and no registration fee. That is no, it is free. And coming to the second news, same college, the Chalapati College is conducting a innovation and transformation on pharmacy research 19th to 22nd June 2020 International Faculty Development Program. Interested one can participate with the link I will provide in the description. This is for faculty. And coming to the next news, Indira Ganesh Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences is conducting a webinar on role of nanotechnology and biomedical application, that is on 15 June 2020 at 11 am to 12 pm. Interested one can participate. For the registration, you can contact the numbers given. If you register, you can get the e-certificate, or else you cannot get it. But everyone can participate with the Zoom meeting. The meeting ID and password are here. You can note down and participate at the time of event. Coming to the next news, the Prasva, an international webinar series, Prasvala, by Hindu College of Pharmacy, that is from 25th to 28th June 2020. Interested one can participate. I will provide the link in the description. And coming to the next one, Sultan Ul Ulum College of Pharmacy is conducting a online quiz, that is drug targeting. Those who get 70% of the marks will be given a or awarded a e-certificate to their mail IDs. Guys, utilize this opportunity. Please participate. Everyone can participate in this quiz. Coming to the next news, some asked about the online free courses available for pharma students. Here is a good course, that is on industrial pharmacy by Dr. Ajay Semalti, that is HNB Garhwal University, a central university, Srinagar. It is a 12-week course, starts on 27th July 2020. Exam date is on 15th November 2020. The enrollment ends at 31st August 2020. It is a good job opportunity for pharmacy students because our pharmacy profession is all related to practical. We cannot find more online free courses in our pharmacy field because we have more practicals than theory. So interested one can utilize this opportunity. That too, industrial pharmacy is a good subject. You can enroll in the Swayam portal. Search in the Google, that is Swayam, SWAYAM, and in that portal search for industrial pharmacy in the course, so you can get it and enroll yourself. Most of the pharmacy online courses are related to SaaS, clinical pharmacy, pharmacovigilance, etc. If anyone is interested to know about them, please comment in the comment box. If there is a huge response, I will make a video on them. And coming to the next news, IPA Student Forum is conducting a webinar series, that is Listen to Legend Series 3, that is on June 16, June 17 and June 18 on different topics by different eminalities or persons. Interested one can participate. I will provide the link in the description below. And thank you. Please keep supporting and share this news with your friends.